Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine. A little tired, to be honest.
I understand. Schoolwork can be tiring.
Yes, yesterday was a long day.
What time did you reach school today?
I reached school at 8:30. What about you?
I came at 8 o'clock. I like to come early.
That's good. What do you do when you come early?
I prepare my lessons. I also check some homework.
That sounds productive. I usually prepare my lessons at home.
That's nice too. Do you have many classes today?
Yes, I have 5 classes today.
5 classes is a lot.
Yes, but I enjoy teaching.
Me too. Teaching keeps us busy, but it feels good.
What subject did you teach today?
I taught English in the first class.
How was the class?
It was good. The students were attentive.
That's great. My first class was math.
Were the students active?
Yes, some students asked questions.
That's a good sign. It means they are interested.
Yes, I like it when students participate.
Do you give homework at every day?
Not every day, only when it's needed.
I do the same. Too much homework is not good.
I agree. Students also need time to rest.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, I eat lunch in the staff room.
I like the staff room. It's nice to talk with other teachers.
Yes, it feels relaxing during lunchtime.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I bring food from home.
Same here. Home food is healthier.
Do you drink tea or coffee at school?
I drink tea in the afternoon.
I prefer coffee. It helps me stay active.
Yes, coffee helps on busy days.
What do you do after school?
I go home and rest for some time.
Do you check homework in the evening?
Yes, after dinner.
I also check homework at night.
It takes time, but it's important.
Yes, students need feedback.
Do you like working at the school?
Yes, I like it here.
Me too. The students are polite.
And the teachers are supportive.
That makes the work easier.
Yes, a good environment is important.
Do you have another class now?
Yes, my next class starts soon.
All right. I wish you a good class.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. See you later.